what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. Today's workout is going to be a resistance band workout. So this video is part of my 12 days of fitness, which every single weekday I do a new workout video for 12 days, plus giveaways in my newsletter, other challenges and tips on my app, and a ton more, so make sure you check those things out as well. I'll put the link down in the description below, and this workout is actually gonna be a total body workout, so not just working our booty and our legs, but also our upper body and our abs. So we're gonna get right into it, and we're gonna put this booty band right around our ankles. Okay, so now that it's right there, we're actually gonna come to the end of our mat and we're gonna do 2 squat walks across, stand up, and squeeze. Getting those outer thighs and those glutes fired up. Inhale and exhale. Squat walk lower each time. How low can you go? Beautiful. Great. Really press through, squeeze those glutes, press through, squeeze also those lower abs as well. As you come up, squeeze. Great, let's do 2 more. Awesome. Last one. Great. Now as you come down, come into a narrow squat position. Right here, what I want you guys to do is just tap back. Stay a little bit low with it, knees bent in that narrow squat. Right there, awesome work. Great, just tap back and squeeze. Squeeze, core in. Beautiful, it's not a lunge. See how my leg is straight back? Awesome, great work, here we go. For 3, for 2, for 1, awesome work. Take it around, deep breath. What we're gonna do is a squat jump, reach down towards that toe, jack, and back. Here we go. Come down, squat low, tap that toe. Beautiful work, here we go. For 3, 2, 1, relax. Inhale and exhale. Hands behind your head just like this, balancing on one foot. I want you guys to flutter for outer thighs and obliques, just like that. A very small, slight movement, but you will feel this. Here we go, tighten up that core. Great. 3, 2, 1, relax. Inhale and exhale. Take it back. Here we go. Nice work. Shoulders down. Flutter. Here we go. Keep that balance. For 3, 2, 1, relax. Inhale and exhale. As you come back, take this booty band, put it right above your knee, like 2 inches right above your knee. We're gonna sit back in a ready stance position. Sit back, I want both knees in and come out, in, out. Very slight movement, all that's moving, ear my knees right there, right for our outer thighs. Burn up those glutes, here we go. Nice work. Stay low with it. How low can you go? In and out. Wonderful. For 3, 2, 1, relax. From here, what I want you guys to do is take it back and flutter right there. Awesome. Now we're toning up on the back of our booty, lifting and sculpting. It's all about balancing with your core as well. Great. And relax, let's switch. Nice work. Stay steady, you got this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale and exhale. We are just gonna squat it out now. Burn our booties one last time with a little bit extra resistance. Nice work. Squat low. Five, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold, hold, and pulse. Pulse, baby. You got this. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you come up, inhale and exhale, take off that booty band. Next, we're gonna work a little bit of our abs and our arms now. So, take the band, put it right out in front of us, and we're gonna flutter. Just like that, core tight. Knees just a little bit bent. Beautiful. You guys will feel this one. It doesn't look too hard, but it burns. I want your abs so tight, almost like you're gonna get punched in the stomach, so you can tighten, tighten, tighten. Beautiful. Arms just a little bit bent. Great. Shoulders back, 10 seconds. Great, for 5. And relax, take it right above head and pull down. Great. Nice work. One arm stays steady, pull down with the other. Awesome. For 3, 2, and 1. Take it behind. Let's work those triceps right here and flutter to the outside. Knees just a little bit bent. Get those arms up as high as you can. This one burns. Here we go. You got this. For 3, for 2, and for 1, relax. Roll out your shoulders. Roll them out right here. Awesome work. You guys killed that quick resistance band workout. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Again, if you guys like these videos, make sure to check out my app, just called Katie Austin. Subscribe to my channel for so many workouts coming, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye.